Hello, I'm Michelangelo Canzoneri. Together with Dave Dolesky, I have the honor of co-chairing the 2021 ISPE Biotechnology Conference and workshops. Speed to market is more important than ever. In fact, the challenges caused by the crisis can even be turned into unique opportunities for achieving even higher level of operational excellence. We rallied together to bring forward innovation at records and partnered in ways that were unprecedented. Take the COVID-19 vaccines, for example. The speed of development, clinical trial studies, approval, manufacturing and distribution, all within 1 year. What are the key features that made it possible? What are the lessons learned at this point in time? Is it possible to apply them to prophylaxis for future public health crises? Let's seize this special momentum to bring all those learnings to one table and reflect interdisciplinary on how to best prepare for successful biopharmaceutical operations. Connect with us virtually on September 22nd to 24th and learn from leading pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical manufacturers, technology providers, academia, and international regulators as they provide an outlook on the evolving landscape and future of biopharmaceutical manufacturing and therapies. Sessions, panel discussions, and interactive workshops will feature industry insights, case studies, and lessons learned on accelerated vaccines development, manufacturing, and distribution, research and development challenges for cell and gene therapy, including data and process science, technology transfers and operations readiness, manufacturing and quality for cell and gene therapy products and ATMPs, continuous manufacturing for MABs and respective technology enablers, and Pharma 4.0 in biotechnology, robotics, digitalization, and validation. The program will be topped off with inspiring keynotes, for example, by Oliver Hanning, Senior Vice President Operations from BioNTech, Rino Rapuoli, Chief Scientist at GSK, Raj Puri and Wilson Bryan from the Center of Biologics Evaluation and Research within the FDA, Francesco Cicciarello, pharma quality experts, and many, many more. I look forward to seeing you there, also virtual networking, so stay safe.